Aman, speak. Aman, bolo. No, you don't want to speak out. Then why did you raise your hand? Yeah. Anyone else want to ask anything? We had already completed one chapter, and I think many of you may have some doubts. So if you have doubts, you can ask the doubts. For asking doubt, you can touch your screen at the bottom. You can find more, and from more, you can ask your doubts. Yes, Bandana Kumari. Yeah. Bandana.
Sir,
Ah.
so what is Java programming?
Oh my goodness, you are in standard 6 and asking about Java programming.
Sir, it is there in book.
No, man, it is
In
not.
high level.
Yeah, it is in a high level language. You only had heard about the Java language. It is a language, computer language. You need more time. In standard 8, when you go to standard 8, you will be introduced to Java. Okay. It's just a programming language for you people. It's just a programming language, a high level object oriented programming language. Any other doubt you have? No. Then lower your hand. Arvind Sinha. As I see the name on the screen. Yes. Arvind. I don't know who is behind you. You may be a girl, you may be a boy. I don't know who you are, but as the name shows on my screen. Arvind? No, don't want to speak. Then lower your hand. Yes, Bandana Kumari Valotia once again. Yeah. What's your problem?
Sir,
Ah.
so what is the machine independent?
Machine independence means something that can run on any machine, any computer actually. When we talk about a computer or a machine, that machine actually doesn't mean the all computers at once, because we know that computers means all the computers are same. No, it is not like that. Depending upon the operating system, like for example, you are using Windows on your laptop or your PC, and you are using Android on your phone, or it may be iOS, means if it is a Apple iPhone, you are using iOS. If you have a MacBook, means Apple's laptop, MacBook, you are using Macintosh. So depending upon the operating system, we can say they are different machines. Understood? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Anyone else? Rajnish Raj, your video is on. I'm stopping that. सुहाना कुमारी वीडियो दिखा रही है. कौन कौन है? दुजन, अमन राज, stop the video. Yeah, anyone else have any other doubt? No. Then in that case, yes, Netul Raj. Netul Raj. Yes. Ask your doubt.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning. Very good
Sir.
morning.
Sir, what is the meaning of syntax?
Syntax. Now, syntax, I don't think you have in your syllabus yet. Syntax means the grammar. The grammar of programming is termed as syntax. The grammar of programming. Now, when we talk about any language, all the languages have a certain way of expressing or writing. That is the syntax. Like, I give you an example. You hardly say, I is going to market. Do you say that ever? Natul, do you say that? I is going to
Yeah.
market.
Yes.
Do you say that like that? I is going to market? If you ever say,
No, sir.
yes, if you ever say or ever write like that, I is going to market, I is going to school, it is grammatically incorrect, isn't it? After I, we have to use am. I am going to market. I am going to school, isn't it? So you can understand
Yes, sir.
that there is a grammar. Similarly, when we write a program using any programming language in a computer, obviously, if it is a language, it must have a grammar. And that particular grammar of a programming language is called the syntax. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then. Can you lower your hand and mute yourself? We have another person. This is Sagar Suman. Yes, Sagar. Sagar?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, say.
Sir, sir, what is the meaning of executed?
Executed. Executed means execute. Actually, I'm talking about explaining execute. Execute means to perform something. Any work you do is execute. Now, execute, it has different meanings, different at different places. Now, a person is being given the death sentence. You understand the meaning of death sentence? Sajaye maut. Okay, someone is talking behind you. Ask them to talk little louder. Okay, now execute even sometimes somewhere means death sentence, and execute means killing that person. That person is executed, means we have killed. So that also is a work, isn't it? Killing a person is a work for someone. It is not for everyone. For someone, it is the work. So we can say execute. Execute actually means doing some work. And executed is the past form of the execute. Any other doubt, Sagar? No. He had muted, but lower hand. Yeah. Suhana Kumari. Suhana. Aryan Raj, I'll be coming to you. Suhana, you want to speak something? You have the raised hand. I'll ask you to unmute.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, say.
Embedded.
Embedded system. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Someone is talking behind you, isn't it? So ask them to... It may be your sister, I think. Okay. Embedded system means a small computer inbuilt in a device. A computer that is inbuilt in a device. For example, you may have a washing machine, automated, completely automatic washing machine. So we can say it has an embedded system. The computer, if you have a automatic washing machine, the automatic washing machine washes the clothes. It then detects whether the clothes are clear, and then it rises up the clothes, means it washes the clothes. Then it drills all the water and rises the clothes, means it gets the clothes dried up, and then it gives you a dry clothes. That system, to control all these operations, there must be some kind of small computer in that. Then take the example of your microwave. If you have a microwave at home, you can observe in the microwave, there are a lot of menus to cook different foods. So you just put that raw material of the food inside the microwave, and then press the menu. If you want to say boil potatoes, there is a menu for boiled potatoes. You need not to set the heat, you need not to set the timer. You just need to put the potatoes and water in a bowl and keep it inside the microwave and press the boil potatoes. The microwave will automatically boil the potatoes. Once the potatoes are boiled, it automatically stops. So obviously there is some kind of microcomputer in them. Those microcomputers we can say embedded microcomputers. Hopefully it is clear now. Aryan Raj. Yes, Aryan. Yeah, speak out. You don't want to speak. Aryan, you want to speak? No, I don't think. He just has the raised hand. Yeah. Anyone have any other doubt before I start the, yes, Hemin. Yes, Hemin.
Sir, what is syntax?
Syntax. Just now I said, I just explained it. You may be not attentive in the class. Syntax is the grammar of programming. Now I explained that. Say, in English grammar, do you ever say, I is going to school? Do you ever say like that?
No.
No. Why?
No.
Because we know that after I is must not be used. We must use am. Similarly, when we write a program using any computing language, that particular language must have a particular kind of grammar. That grammar is termed as syntax. For example, I give you an example. In standard 5, you had learnt about the what you say, the logo. You had learnt about logo. So after logo, you had always used FD, then our number of steps you want to move, isn't it? But you had never used FD RT40. Did you use like that? You have not used. You must have used this as FD40, RT70, RT90, or like that. So that is the grammar, means how we write a program in a particular language. The grammar of the language is, programming languages are called as syntax. Clear? I mean, hopefully it is clear. So you may not be there. Okay. Anyone else? Any other doubt anyone have? Yes, once again, Bandana Kumari Valotia. I don't know is this. Yeah, Bandana Kumari Valotia. Yes.
Sir, what is the meaning of application development tool?
Application development tool. Application development tool is a software. You can think of it as a software where we can develop our application. Now, what is the application is? I give you an example of an application is MS Paint. You had to use Paint, isn't it? In standard 4, 5, 3, you had to use Paint. Now in Paint,
Yes, sir.
a lot of different things, but we cannot write a letter in Paint, isn't it? We cannot write a letter. We cannot create a report. So we can say that is an application, and API application development tools are the software that helps you to develop applications. Means you can develop software in them. Yeah, any other? No. Okay, now lower your hand then. Someone raised their hand. I missed it, that particular fellow. Yes, Aman Raj. Aman.
Sir, what is meaning of embedded?
Embedded, just now I explained, man. You are not listening to the class. You are busy in something else. Embedded means which is being enclosed within another. For example, I gave you the example, just now I gave you the example of the automated washing machine and the microwave oven. So they have small computers in them. Those we can say embedded systems. Similarly, nowadays the cars, they are coming with embedded systems. Means you can see the advertisement in TVs and commercials, TV commercials. Hello MJ, you had heard that. Hello MG. So
Yes.
those we can say they are small computers which is being inbuilt in other devices. Those computers we say embedded computers. Embedded means
Thank you, sir.
attached with something else. Okay, mute and lower your hand if you can. Yeah. Anyone else? We had already, yes. Shaurya, Sergil. Shaurya.
So what is the meaning of mnemonic codes?
Mnemonic code, not mnemonic. Mnemonic, M is silent. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Mnemonic means symbols. Mnemonic means symbols. But here symbols doesn't mean small pictures. Here in computer, when we say about mnemonic code, it may be some words like add, sub, mult, div.
Yes,
Means
sir.
you can understand. Add means to add two numbers, sub means to subtract one from another. So these are the certain codes. Those codes which we can use as symbols are called mnemonic codes. The codes, those are being used in second generation language or assembly level language for programming. Okay,
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
welcome. And Sagar Suman. Sagar.
Sir, what is the meaning of owing to the above mentioned features?
Oh my goodness. That is not the part of it. Hey, computer man. That is
No,
English.
sir. Sir,
That is
sir,
English.
in the high,
Oh,
sir, in the high level language, sir, there was.
Arey man,
Sir, high level.
you can see it is going to the above mentioned features. Means the features, those are explained where you are currently studying. That is English, man. वो इंग्लिश समझना है तुमको कि above mentioned features means the features those are being already discussed where you are currently studying. Okay, Sagar. Yeah. Aryan Raj. Aryan. No. Yes, Aryan.
Sir, what is high level language?
High level language is the computer language which is very close to naturally spoken English. Which is very close to naturally spoken English. Yeah, Aryana, Ananya Singh. Hello, Ananya.
Sir, what is object? Sir, what is object program?
Object program. Object program is the program now which is written in high level language. The program that we write in the high level language is the object program.
Okay,
Yes.
sir.
Yeah, now is this is Anishul Haq. Anishul. Anishul Haq,
Sir, what is the meaning of handheld?
handheld,
Yes, sir.
हाथ में पकड़ना. The devices that we can hold in our hand is handheld. See here, I can hold my phone in my hand. So this is a handheld device.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Soria Sergil. Soria. No, you don't want to speak. Soria, you want to speak?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, what is the meaning of sequence?
Sequence. Sequence means one after another. One after
Okay.
another. Okay. Now, as your doubts are cleared, can you please put your hands down? There are many. Yes, Saurav Kumar. Saurav,
Sir, what is meaning of object code?
just now I said, listen to the class.
Object program node.
Yeah, the same thing. Object program and object code is same, man. You only have a different
Yes, sir.
name. Okay. Put your hands down once your doubts are clear. Yes, Nitul Raj. Nitul,
Sir, what is the meaning of conventionally?
once again, the word I'm not getting you.
Conventionally, sir.
Conventionally. Conventionally. It must be conventionally. Spell it out. Spell it out, man.
Convention.
Spelling.
C-O-N.
C-O-N.
C-O-N-V-E-N.
E-N.
I-E-N-T-L-Y.
Conveniently.
Conveniently. Yes.
Yes. Conveniently means with ease. आसानी से करना. Conveniently means आसानी से करना. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, you can see those meaning in the dictionary also. Yeah, anyone else have any other doubt? Bandana Kumari Valotia. Yes.
Sir, what is meaning of linker?
Linker. L-I-N-K-E-R.
Yes, sir.
Linker. Link means joining two things. Linker, something that joins. ये तो इंग्लिश का वर्ड है, डिक्शनरी में भी मिल जाएगा रे बच्चा. Yeah, anyone else? Today we are going to clear all your doubts from the chapter 1 so that you can submit your homework on time. Isn't it? I have given you the homework. Yes, Nitul Raj.
Sir, what is the meaning of interactive?
Interact. Now what we are doing? कर रहे हो, कुछ कर रहे हो, बड़ा कान में लग रहा है, करना बंद करो. I understood your question. I'm explaining it. Interactive. Now, what is interactive is, see here, what we are doing. I am sitting somewhere else, you are sitting somewhere else, and we cannot see one another. I cannot see you, but you can see me. And I am giving you the chance to talk. Once you raise your hand, I'm giving you the chance to talk. This is interactive. Means you perform some task, I perform some task, and both of us make that task complete. This is interaction. Means talking or communicating with one another. And when that thing goes on, we say it is interactive. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Now, anyone other? Just now someone raised the hand and lowered again. I cannot follow the name properly. No one. All your doubts are clear. Hopefully all your doubts are clear. So What is the time left? I think it is around 15 minutes, 10-15 minutes left. So we are not going to start a new chapter today. We are not going to start a new chapter today. If anybody has any doubt, you can clear your doubt. And next class, just Aryan, Raj, I'm coming to you. Next class, I'll dictate you the correct answer. I'll dictate, I'll not write and show you. So next class, all of you must prepare with the copy and pen. Here, a rough copy and a pen. I'll dictate you the correct answers. You have to copy them. Okay, now, and that day, I may allow you all your microphone to be on. So don't speak loudly in front of the microphone, because that may create a huge problem for me and others. Because while dictating, you may be not following the dictation properly, so you may speak there. Aryan, Raj, you went out. Aryan, Raj, he left already. Okay. Anyone have any other doubt? Today I'm not going to start the new class. Any other doubt? If you have. किसी को कोई डाउट नहीं है और खत्म हो गया सारा सब चैप्टर 1 से डाउट. Yes, one more I got. Soria Sergil. Yes, Soria.
Sir, we have to do chapter 1 question answer in book.
अरे भाई हम बोले ना अगले क्लास में अगर हम तो होमवर्क दिए 2-4 जन जमा भी किया. Already submitted few names I have, those who had submitted the homework, and in the next class I will give you the answer. You be prepared with your
Okay, sir.
copy and pen. Okay. Okay then.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Anyone else have any doubt? अच्छा, क्वेश्चन का आंसर मिलेगा सुन करके सबका डाउट खत्म हो गया है ना. All your doubts are now over because you are going to get the answers of the question very simply without doing the homework. First time I am giving. From the next time I'll not give you the answers. We have 5 minutes left only, so if you have doubts, you can just ask, raise your hand. We have only 5 minutes left. Yes, Nitul.
Sir, what is the meaning of palm top?
Palm top means something that can be held on your palm like this, and you can have a number of
Mouse.
those can be held on palms. Okay. Any other doubts, Nitul? No. Should we end the class over here now? Because as all the doubts are cleared from the chapter 1, hopefully all the doubts are cleared. And those who have not followed or you still have doubts, I'll give you the link of today's doubt clearance class in Class Plus Lite study material section. Yeah, you may have seen there, but if you have not seen, though I'll give the YouTube link of, I'm giving the YouTube link of every class in study material section in your Class Plus Lite app. So from there also you can find the classes and you can attend the class, see the classes from there if you had missed, or if you want to recall what is being taught in today's class. Okay, have a nice day and get prepared for the next class. If you have doubt, we still have 4-5 minutes. We can clear the doubt, or I'll stop the class today. No doubt. Tejas Jha used to ask a lot of questions, I think, but he's silent today. Tejas, I asked you to unmute. Tejas,
Yes, sir.
सब समझ में आ गया बेटा?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. If you have a doubt, you know how to raise your hand, isn't it? So don't be hesitated and raise your hand. Okay, fine, beta. Okay then, that's the end of the class today. And in the next class, be prepared with your pen and paper. Okay. Have a nice day.